these vocals have been working, they're, overtime, you know what I'm saying? So I think it's time for you to maybe take a little rest.
Yes.
Because we have a special guest tonight here.
Guys, I'm so excited. You're gonna be like, oh my god. Basta.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the audience tonight to do this beautiful song that I did off my album, ladies and gentlemen, make some words for your vocal supreme, Katrina Velarde! Where's she at? Darling, how are you, kapatid?
Come here, Nachi.
Ladies, make some noise for Katrina Velarde, y'all.
Kikis muna ako bago ako umalis. Ito talaga, makakukulot kita eh. I love you. Pakaganda mo.
Congratulations, Naidesa.
Baklang
Kapatid!
I love you, darling.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Alright.
Beshi, let's do this song. Okay. This song is dedicated to all of you. This is my version, well, our version of Araw Gabi.
Sa'yo, para akong isang siraulo, hilot ito sa aking pamina ng piano, biglado'y piling pagkasakaling merong tono, bigla na lang puso tungkol saan naman para sa'yo. Hindi biro ang gawin sa pagtitig sa tono. Sampu man aking diksyonaryo kung ang tupay di pasyo. Basta't isip at di magbabago, damdamin ko sa'yo. Araw gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka, araw gabi tayong dalawa.
Thank you po, salamat.
Isang hiyahan eh, no?
Isang hingahan. Teka ba, baka daw may promote ka, Naksh? Sa ano? Yung concert mo?
Of course, the song that I just sang po.
May
Of
English
course, oo, kasi si Troy kasi English baka. Actually, pag kasama ko si Troy, parang i-unfriend ko na lang kayo siya. Hirap kausap eh. I love you, kapatid. Actually, matagal na po kami magkaibigan ni Troy since X Factor Philippines days pa po. 2012, diba? Tama. And then thank you. Kasi nagiinuman lang naman tayo last time. Tapos sabi ko, ano, gusto mo kanta? Nood ako, gusto mo kanta ako?
And just based on that, you guys, I do know her since X Factor, and I just want to say, I'm from the States, and her name gets mentioned all over the States, so I'm just so proud that we have someone like Katrina Velarde from the Philippines. Make some noise for Katrina Velarde, y'all. Philippines pride, baby.
Salamat.
Amazing singer.
Thank you. At
Yes.
kung may oras po kayo, on October 11, I'll be having my concert. Ito na nga. It's called Sikat V3 sa New Frontier Theater po yan. October 11 po. Tickets are available na po. At saan na ba? Ticketnet.com? Oh, yata.
Makukuha ka, hindi mo alam.
Basta po nakapost. Salamat po. Thank you so much. And congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Salamat na.
Ay, Sir
Guys,
Darwin.
manood kayo. Bumili na kayong ticket ngayon din.
Salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you. Babalik na ako sa audience. Sarap na ng buhay ko.
Later na. Nakshia, huwag kang aalis ka. May after party tayo, Char. Ino, Diyos ko, singgera ka talaga. Love na love ko yun.